LLMO for law firms, the complete guide to AI visibility. If you're a law firm owner or managing partner, I need to tell you something that might make you uncomfortable. Your organic traffic is dropping, maybe significantly. But here's the weird part. Your SEO rankings, they're still strong. So what's happening? Welcome to the LLMO revolution, and if you don't understand what that means, you're about to lose clients to firms that do. Hello, I'm Lex Howell, the digital avatar of Jeff Howell, attorney and founder of LexWire Journal, a platform dedicated to elevating legal professionals through digital visibility, editorial recognition, and AI compliance. As Jeff's virtual partner, I share practical strategies on artificial intelligence technology, ethics, and data security for lawyers and law firms. Jeff collaborates on and approves every script to ensure they reflect his expertise and voice. Let's start with what's actually happening to your website traffic. Marketing pioneer Neil Patel just published research that should alarm every law firm investing in traditional SEO. He introduced this concept called LLMO, or Large Language Model Optimization. Here's the brutal reality. Your potential clients are getting answers directly from ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google's AI overviews without ever clicking through to your website. Think about it. When someone asks ChatGPT who's the best personal injury lawyer in Houston, or Perplexity, how do I find a divorce attorney? The AI gives them an answer immediately. The firms that get cited aren't chosen randomly. They're selected based on sophisticated authority evaluation systems. And here's the kicker. Most law firms have no idea how these systems work. With ChatGPT serving over 700 million weekly active users and Perplexity adding millions more, this isn't some future trend. This is happening right now. Why law firms are different. Now you might be thinking, okay, but this applies to all businesses, right? Yes and no. Law firms face unique challenges that actually create opportunities. First, legal problems involve high stakes, life-changing decisions. AI systems know they need to cite genuinely authoritative sources, not just well-optimized marketing content. Second, trust requirements. People hiring attorneys need more than information. They need confidence and expertise. An AI citation carries an implied endorsement that traditional advertising never could. Third, jurisdictional complexity. Legal advice is inherently location-specific, so AI needs clear signals about which attorneys have authority in which jurisdictions. And fourth, professional standards. Bar associations regulate legal advertising. Your ethical obligations actually align perfectly with what AI systems are looking for. Careful, accurate content clearly bounded by expertise. This means while other industries are trying to game algorithms, you can demonstrate genuine authority. That's your edge. Section 3, the 3 pillars. So how do you actually optimize for AI citations? Neil Patel identifies 3 core pillars. Let me translate these specifically for law firms. Pillar 1, create content AI systems trust. This is about EEAT, or experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. For law firms, this means citing actual statutes, court decisions, and regulatory guidance in your content. Reference bar association resources. Link to government sources like state court websites. Here's a practical example. A family law attorney writing about Texas divorce shouldn't just provide general advice. They should cite Texas family code sections, reference recent appellate decisions, and demonstrate comprehensive understanding of custody standards and local court procedures. Show depth across related topics, not just isolated practice areas. AI systems recognize comprehensive expertise. Pillar 2, structure content for AI understanding. This is where schema markup becomes critical. Think of schema as giving AI a roadmap to your content. You need attorney schema marking up credentials and bar admissions, legal service schema identifying practice areas and jurisdictions, FAQ, schema for common questions, how to schema for legal processes. This structured data tells AI systems exactly what's on your page and why it matters. Without it, you're making AI work harder to understand your expertise. Pillar 3, track your AI visibility. You cannot improve what you don't measure. Start regularly querying AI systems with questions relevant to your practice areas. Monitor which firms get cited for questions like best employment lawyer in Dallas or how to file for divorce in California. Tools like SEMrush AI Tracking, Ahrefs Brand Radar, and Ubersuggest LLM Beta can help you document citation frequency compared to competitors. This is your new KPI. AI visibility matters as much as search rankings now. The authority advantage. Now here's something Patel's research doesn't fully address, but it's huge for law firms. AI systems maintain manually curated lists of high-trust legal sources, government domains, bar associations, established legal publishers like Westlaw and LexisNexis, peer-reviewed law journals. Smart law firms don't compete with these sources, they leverage them. Every time you reference official court guidance, cite bar association resources, or link to government legal databases, you're connecting your content to the manually approved authority network that AI systems specifically trust. This also means building a digital PR strategy that goes beyond backlinks. You need citations from bar journals, media expert commentary, CLE presentations, speaking engagements, and original legal research. When these authoritative sources cite you, AI systems notice. They're mapping authority networks, and you need to be in that network. The conversational shift. Let's talk about how people actually search for legal help now. Traditional SEO optimized for keywords like employment lawyer or personal injury attorney. But people in legal crisis don't search like that anymore. They search like they're asking a friend for help. What should I do if I was fired while on medical leave? How long do I have to file a lawsuit after a car accident? Can my ex move out of state with my children without permission? 60% of question-based legal searches now trigger AI summaries. Your keyword-optimized content is answering questions no one's asking anymore. LLMO optimized content answers the specific questions people ask. AI systems in natural conversational language. The first mover advantage. Here's why timing matters. Neil Patel says it perfectly. Most companies aren't currently doing it, and that's an edge you can use to your advantage. While your competitors continue optimizing for traditional search, you can establish yourself as the authority AI systems consistently cite. Once that authority position is established, it becomes incredibly difficult for competitors to displace you. But the window is closing. The firms that move now will own the conversation. The ones that wait will become invisible, even if their traditional SEO metrics look strong. So here's your action plan. 1. Start tracking your AI visibility today. Query ChatGPT and Perplexity with questions in your practice areas. 2. Audit your content for EEAT signals. Are you citing authoritative sources? 3. Implement schema markup for your attorneys, services, and content. And 4. Build your digital PR strategy. Get cited by the sources AI systems trust. This isn't just about marketing. This is about remaining relevant as client acquisition fundamentally transforms. I've put together a complete breakdown of the LLMO framework for law firms. Link is in the description below. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We're releasing new content every week on AI implementation for legal practice. I'm Lex Howell from LexWire Journal. Thanks for watching.